So frequency distribution tables and graphs exercise 7.1 first exercise we started, and in that I gave the formula, arithmetic mean formula, based only one formula, based on that formula only we are solving, only one formula, no more formulas, but one formula only. The concept is difficult. See here. So in 7.1 we completed first, second, third, and after that even we completed the fifth also. So fourth problem left. Students, all of you read the fourth problem. Even if you don't understand also, just read the question. That's all. Some problems you can't understand. If you read also, you can't understand. Unless I teach, you can't understand. But reading is important. Just read the fourth question. Arithmetic mean of 9 observations is 38. 9 observations is 38. But in doing so, an observation 27 is mistaken for 72. So find the actual mean of the data. See here. Don't write. Very difficult problem. Arithmetic mean is equal to 38. Arithmetic mean is equal to 38. Arithmetic mean of 9 observations is calculated as 38. What is the arithmetic mean formula? I gave in 3 ways. Sigma xi by n. We can write like this formula. Or x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus 1 xn by n. This is also the formula. Or in words, sum of the observations by number of observations. That formula also I give. Any all are same. This is nothing but sum of the observations. This is nothing but sum of the observations. If you write in words also, same. So see here. Arithmetic mean formula sigma xi by n is equal to 38. Don't write. Arithmetic mean formula sigma xi by n is equal to 38. N is number of observations. How many observations this data is having? Arithmetic mean of 9 observations. How many observations? 9 observations is equal to 38. So sigma xi is equal to 38. 9 that side, it will be in multiplication. So the sum of the observations is 9 8s are 72. 7 9 3s are 27 plus 7. This is 342. 342. See here. Arithmetic mean of 9 observations is arithmetic mean is equal to 38. Arithmetic mean formula sigma xi by n is equal to 38. N is 9 observations. 9 that said 38 into 9, 342. So sum of the observations is 342. See here, don't write. This sigma means sum. 9 observations if you add, the sum is 342. So the question is, see here. See. Suppose x1 is first number. x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8, x9. 9 numbers if you add, that is 342. Sigma xi means sum of the observations. Sum of all the numbers is 342. We got 342. Sum of all the numbers is 342. 9 numbers are there. We added. The answer is 342. But after doing this, we found some mistake in our addition. We did a mistake. What mistake we did? 27 is mistaken for 72. But in doing so, an observation 27 is mistaken for 72. 27 is mistaken for 72. So you understand that word. What is the meaning of that? 27 mistaken for 72 means just think of it. I will explain, but you also think. What is the meaning of it? 27 mistaken for 72. Just think of it. "27 is mistaken for 72. That means we wrote 20 in that 9 numbers. There was one number 27. There was one number 27. But actually it is 72, but we wrote 27 in our addition. Instead of 72 is the actual number, but we wrote 27 only. Actual number is 72, but we wrote it as 27 only. We did a mistake. Then how to correct our mistake? Suppose if you are adding 9 numbers, we got some answer. Suppose after that you found that one number you took wrong. So instead of 27, suppose if you write 72, then again you have to add. But without again adding, directly we can do something. This is a sum, no? 27 is not our number. Remove 27 from this. Remove 27. Remove 27 minus 27. Add 72. Remove, subtract 27, which is not our number. Add 72. Then we will get the correct total. Again finding all the total, no need, because even we don't know the numbers also. We know only sum. From this we can do it. Just remember, suppose if you are adding 9 numbers, you got some answer. After that you found one number wrong. Then you will write the correct number. So without again adding, just that wrong number you remove, correct number you add. That will be the total. So that is the procedure. See here. After getting 342 sum, what happened? We noticed that, see here, what mistake we did? An observation 27 is mistaken for 72. Therefore, actual sum will be changed. Actual sum will change. Actual sum will change. The sum is 342, but here we did wrong. What wrong? 27 is not there actually, but we added that 27. So remove that. Remove 27, but add 72 instead of this. In place of 72, in place of 27, 72, write in place of 27, write 72. Remove that 27 and add 72. That's all. This concept you have to understand. Actually, sum is 342. But after that, we observe that 27 is also included in it, which is mistake. So, observation 27 is mistaken for 72. Instead of writing 72, we wrote 27. So, that mistake number you remove. 27 is subtracted. But if you remove, you will get 8 numbers only. But what is that new 9th number? 72. You add it. Remove the wrong number, add the correct number. That's all. Do it. (342) minus 27 plus 72. Do it. Subtract 27 minus 342 and add 72 and tell the value. You do this, subtract 27 and add 72, it is 387. Subtract 27, 342 minus 27, then you add 72. This is the actual sum. Then what is the correct mean? Actual mean is same formula, sigma xi by n. Sigma xi was 342 but it was wrong. Now correct value correct sigma xi is 387. 387 by how many numbers? Same 9 numbers only. See, 9 numbers only. We did one mistake. Instead of one number, we added another number. So 9 numbers, same 9 numbers. We removed one and we added one with same 9 numbers. So the answer is 9 4s are 36. 9 3s are 27. So 43 is the answer. This is the problem. This is the solution. Lot of reasoning. Formula simple only, but reasoning. Mean is 38. Formula for mean is sigma xi by n is equal to 38. N is given as 9. See the textbook. 9 observations. So 9 that side, 38 into 9, 342. This is the sum of the observations. By adding 9 numbers, we are getting 342. But after that, we observed that we did a mistake. What mistake? Actual number was 72, but we took 77 and we did all this. So then to correct it, from the total, remove the 27, which is a wrong number. Add the new correct number 72. So 342 minus 27 you do and add 72, you will get 387. The correct mean is sigma xi by n. 387 by numbers are 9 only. Previously it was 9, now also 9. You simplify and 43 is the answer. You practice this problem. Students, practice this problem after this class. So 5th is over. Now 6th question. Sixth problem. The correct mean or actual mean? Mean formula? Same. Sigma. Mean or arithmetic mean? Both are same. Wrong number is subtracted, correct number is added. 387 by number of observations 9. Correct mean is 43, not 38. 43 is a correct mean. Students, read the 6th question. It is also very difficult. So read it. Just try to understand what is the concept. Even you may get some idea, because even general also, if you think generally also, you may get some idea. General problems only. Formula is very simple, but concept is general concept. 6th question. 5th is over. Yesterday I completed 5th one. Last class we completed 5th one. Now 6th. ago, mean age of 40 people was 11 years. 2 years ago, mean age of 40 people was 11 years. See here. 2 years ago, mean age is equal to 11. Mean age of 40 people is 11. Mean age is equal to 11. Mean age. Mean means arithmetic mean. So what is the formula for arithmetic mean? Sigma xi by n. Mean is 11. Mean is 11. It is given. Mean is equal to 11. It is given in the problem. Mean formula is sigma xi by n is equal to 11. Sigma xi by number of people. How many ages we have added? Number of observations. 40 people. There are 40 people is equal to 11. So sigma xi is equal to, don't write. Now person left the group and mean age is changed to 12 years. See here. 2 years ago, see, let us change this. 2 years ago mean is equal to 11. After 2 years, so let us change it directly in the beginning itself. After that also we can change. 2 years ago mean age is 11. But we are discussing about present. Present ages we are taking. Present situation only we are discussing. So present mean age. See here. 2 years ago mean is 11. Present mean will be, after 2 years, what is the mean? I told, suppose 2 years back there are 4 people, ages are like this. One is 17 years, one is 18 years, one is 22 years, one is 35 years. These are the ages of 4 people 2 years ago. Don't write. And I calculated the mean. How to find the mean? This plus this plus this plus this. Add the 4 numbers and divide it by 4. This plus this plus this plus this by 4. That we will get the mean. Say for example, mean is say A. For example, after 2 years, what will be the ages? 17 years person will become 19 years. 18 years person will become 20 years. 22 years person will become 24 years. 35 years person will become 37 years. Then what is the mean for this? How to find the mean? This plus this plus this plus this by 4. Mean. But I gave direct relation. If you know this old mean, new mean directly we can write. Because if 2 is added, the 17, 2 is added. For this also 2 is added. For this also 2 is added. For this also 2 is added. If 2 is added to each, the mean also will be added with 2, a plus 2. Suppose if mean of this is say, for example, 25, then mean of this new numbers will be 27, 2 difference. Numbers 2 difference means mean also 2 difference. So here, 2 years back mean is 11 means present mean will be 2 years added. 13. Present mean is 13. We did not find everything, again finding the new mean like that. If each number, I gave the statement also, if each number of an observation is added or increased or decreased by some number, mean also will increase or decrease by same number. So if each number is increased by 2, mean also increased by 2. So here 2 years back 40 persons ages will be, say for example, like one particular order. So after 2 years, each person age will be increased by 2. Then its mean also, originally the mean was 2 years back, mean was 11. Present mean will be 13. Now take 13 only. Forget about 11 because that is 2 years back. Present situation we are discussing. See here. Mean formula sigma xi by n. Don't Don't take 11 because present age. Now you see the word. 2 years ago mean age of 40 people was 11 years. Full stop. Now means come to the present situation. Don't go to the 2 years back. Now means after 2 years. 11 will become 13. Now do sigma xi by n. Number of observations are 40. How many people are there? 40 people. 40 people. Number of people 40 is equal to 13. Sigma xi is equal to 13 into 40. Sigma xi is equal to 520. Sum of the ages. Sum of 40 people age is 520. Okay, leave it. Now see here what happens. Now person left the group, so mean age is changed to 12 years. See here. One person left the group. Then mean became 12. See, this situation is over. You forget this. Now come to the new situation. In new situation, the mean is given as 12. Mean is equal to 12. What is the formula for mean? Sigma xi by n is equal to 12. The second situation, it is given that mean is 12. What is the formula for mean? Sigma xi by n. Sigma xi by n means not 40 people. One person left the group. One person left the group means 39 people. There are only 39 people. There are only 39 people. One person left the group. So we don't have 40 people now. Only 39 people. So sum of the observations sigma xi is equal to 12 into 39. 12 multiply. Understand up to here. Last conclusion I will explain. See, 11 years ago the mean age is 11, but present situation we are discussing. So now mean age will be after 2 years 13 mean. So sum of the observations by number of observations is equal to 13. Sum of the observations by number of observations, there are 40 people. So 40, that side 13 into 40 is 520 over. Sum of the observations, sum of the ages. Sigma xi means sum of the ages. I will write in full also. Sigma means sum. Sum of ages of 40 people. How many people? 40 people is like this, 520 years. Now, but there are some changes. One person left, only 39 people are there. Their mean is 12. Present mean is 12. Sigma xi by n is equal to 12. N means not 40 because one person left means 40 minus 1 is 39. 39 that side, 39 into 12. It is 468. 468. Sigma xi means what? Sum of ages. Ages of how many people? 39 people. $468. Now the question is, what is the age of the person who left the group? What is the age of the person who left the group? 40 people, sum of all ages of 40 people is 520, 39 people is 468. So 520 minus 468, that is the age of the person who left. 40 people if we add, we are getting 520. 39 people we are adding 468. What is that 40th person who left the group? So this minus this, that is the answer. Age of person who left the group, 468 minus 520 520 minus 468. Reverse. So it is 52. Right now. 2 years ago mean was 11. After 2 years mean will become 13. Mean is nothing but sum of the ages by number of persons is equal to 13. Sum of the ages by number of persons are 40. 40, that's why 13 into 40, 520. So sum of the ages of how many people? 40 people is 520. But one person left. Now the mean become 12. So sum of the ages by number of persons is equal to 12. Sum of the ages by number of persons are 39 now because 41 left. So 39 people. 39, that's why 12 into 39 is 468. Here sigma means what? Sigma means sum, total. Sum of ages of 39 people is 468. So total 40 people ages is 520. 39 people age is 468. So what is the age of that one person? So this total minus this total is 52 years. Practice this problem and after that read the 7th question. Students, read the 7th question. So don't get confused. N is equal to 38. Why we wrote? Actually 40% it is given in the question. 1% left also it is given. So directly I wrote 39. Otherwise you can write some explanation. There are 40 people, 1 person left, 40 minus 1, remaining people will be 39. Like that you can write some introduction. You write afterwards. Students, this data is given. Just see the question. Data is given and you first find the mean. After that I will explain the question. So 5, 8, 10, 15, 22 is given. You have to find the mean. What is the formula for mean? Sum of the observations by number of observations. Sum of the observations means 5 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15 plus 22 by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5. Only 5. 5 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15 plus 22. So I am finding the mean. Some numbers are given. Find its mean. 5 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15 plus 22 by 5. So what is the answer? 12. You just check it. 5 plus 8, 13, 23, 38, 40, 60. 60 by 5 is 12. Mean is equal to 12. This is mean. But what is the question? Just see the question. Deviations. Deviation means subtraction. Deviations. See here. Sum of deviations of observations. See. Deviations of given numbers from mean, or deviation means minus all the numbers. What is the deviation of 5 with 12? Deviation of 8 with 12? Deviation means minus, subtraction. Deviation means difference. Difference is nothing but subtraction. Difference of say 8 and 5 is 3. How? 8 minus 5. Or you can tell 5 minus 8. Any order. So, deviations of given numbers from the mean means from each number you have to subtract 12. See here. 5 minus 12. 8 minus 12. 10 minus 12. See here. 5 minus 12. 8 minus 12. 10 minus 12. 15 minus 12, 22 minus 12. Deviations means minus. Deviation, difference. Difference means minus. Deviations of all the numbers from mean. 5 minus 12, 8 minus 12, 10 minus 12, 15 minus 12, 22 minus 12. This is minus 7. Minus 5, minus 2, 3, 10. The question is, what is the question? What we have to do with these deviations? Sum of the deviations, sum means plus. Sum of the deviations, you had all this, that is the answer. Sum of deviations. Deviation means difference. Difference of what? Difference of each number with the mean. 5 minus 12, 8 minus 12, 10 minus 12, 15 minus 12, 22 minus 12. We got the number. Sum of these numbers. Minus 7 plus minus 5 plus minus 2 plus 3 plus 10. Minus 7 plus minus 5 plus minus 2 plus 3 plus 10. Minus 7 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Now minus 7 minus 4 minus 11 minus 11 minus 2 minus 13. All minus numbers we have to add. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 7 13. All minus means minus 13. Now plus numbers. 10 plus 3 13. 13 minus 13 is 0. Answer. Over. Students, as I said, up to 11 problems are difficult. From 3rd, 4th onwards, there are difficult problems. There is no direct question. Lot of confusion, lot of reasoning. So you just practice it. It is actually mental ability problems, reasoning problems. So do it. Mean of this is 12. Deviations means from each number mean is subtracted. Deviation means difference. Difference means subtraction. This, what is the difference of 5 with 12? Minus 7. Difference of 8 with 12? Minus 4. Difference of 10 with 12? Minus 2. Difference of 15 with 12? 3. Difference of 22 with 12 is 10. What is the question? Sum of these numbers. Add these numbers. 0 answer. That's all. So practice up to here. After this class again you practice these problems and understand. And of course 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, that 4 problems little difficult. After that easy problems only.